Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the Euro Yen daily time frame, I've been recommending longs the last couple of days because we got a nice Fibonacci bounce. This move down looks extremely corrective. I think there's a good chance it's at least going to make a double top. And yes, we've been looking for the end of this wave B, but it doesn't have to happen now. It potentially could keep on trending up. We definitely want to do what our higher time frames tell us to do, which is right now look for longs. Going down to the shorter time frames, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now, but yesterday I was recommending longs, and look what happened. We had a perfect end of a correction yesterday. Very, very nice end of a three-way pullback right there. So I definitely am still only looking for longs, and unfortunately, the strategy right now is to either already be long, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for another three-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. At the same time, I would definitely be watching these Fibonacci levels. The next area of resistance is probably the 78%. If it breaks structure at that level, then maybe we'll have to realize that this is a wave B, but I think more likely it's not a wave B, and more likely it will keep on trending up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.